Alright folks, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the most shocking cruise ship stories out there. And let me tell you, today's story is a jaw-dropper. So, hold on to your seats as we uncover the mystery of a missing passenger on a Carnival cruise ship. Can you imagine being on a Carnival cruise, known for its fun and relaxation, only to find out that someone has mysteriously disappeared? Well, that's exactly what happened on this fateful voyage. Picture this. The confusion, the panic, and the frantic search efforts on board as everyone tries to make sense of the situation. It's a real-life thriller, unfolding right in the middle of the ocean. Now, let's dig deeper into the circumstances surrounding the missing passenger case. From the timeline of events leading up to the disappearance to any suspicious activities or clues that might shed light on what happened, we're leaving no stone unturned. And then comes the moment we've all been waiting for, the climax. The point when the passenger is officially declared missing, and the cruise ship's response to this chilling development. It's a pivotal moment that changes everything on board. As we wrap up, let's summarize the details of this unsettling incident. The impact it had on fellow passengers, the unanswered questions, and the unresolved nature of the case. It's a story that lingers long after the cruise has ended. Now before we sail away, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on this shocking cruise ship story in the comments below. And hey, if you want more intriguing cruise ship content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.